This is Miley Lodging Resto Bar. Matatagpuan ito sa Barangay New Quezon, Busuanga, Palawan. It's your choice how to get in there. Pwedeng dito ka dumaan sa Barangay Salvacion or dito sa Barangay Chay. By land or by sea, no problem. Pero kung gusto mong mas challenging, I will suggest na mag-joyride ka dito sa Barangay Chay kasi mas matataas ang kalsada at mabato, which is perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng adventure. Buha Intrepes! It's been a while nang huli ko itong mabisita. Actually, napadaan lang talaga ako dito and then I see this beautiful place called Miley.
It gets lonely, explaining myself just for you to forget it. Don't you know me? Oh, know me by now, baby, you better. Don't know when I should call it and walk away. Every time I try, you just get me to stay. I don't know if we'll ever be on
The truth is, kinda challenging talaga how to get in this place, but kung gusto, may paraan, mapupuntahan at magagawan mo talaga ng paraan. This place is quite perfect talaga if you are looking for the place that peaceful and far from the city. Medyo malayo rin talaga ang lugar na ito. Tahimik at payak ang pamumuhay ng mga tao rito. Pangingisda at pagsasaka ang pangunahin nilang ikinabubuhay. Just enjoy it, mga kabuha Intrepes, and I hope this video will help you relieve your stress and make you happy because our tagline here is Buha Intrepes.
Talagang nakaka-relax ng isip. Malayo ka sa ingay ng syudad, ng mga sasakyan, ng usok. Makakahinga ka ng maayos.
Ay, in love na ata ako. Oo, in love na nga ako. The moment na makita ko pa lang yung oceans, yung mountains, yung river, even the falls, at ang iba't ibang mga nakakamanghang bagay. And I have this privilege to show you, mga kabuhay Intrepes, na ipakita ang ganda ng bansang Pilipinas.